IPAC claims 4 scheduled tribes and 6 scheduled castes are wrongly included in ST-SC list. Residents of Chinku and Khundrakpam block, Imphal Cycle Road, against government decision to establish a film city. JSCC locks down administration block of 4 schools for taking full fees for month of July and August. And Manipur police celebrates 124th Raising Day. Kaikangam calls for talks in case of disagreement with the decision taken by the state government. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshmam Sangeeta with top stories and all the news we're tracking at this hour. Indigenous Peoples Association of Kangleipak, IPAC, today claimed that 4 major tribes of Nagaland are included in the list of scheduled tribes list of Manipur, and 6 new castes are included in the list of scheduled castes list of Manipur wrongly. Speaking to media at his office at Kesampat, Chairman of IPAC Sapamcha Jadumani said Angami, Ralte, Sema, Sute, which are tribes of Nagaland, are included in the scheduled tribe list published by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The list also has an entry as any Kuki tribe. Sapamcha Jadumani asked if it is a sinister design to include 1 crore Kuki living in different parts of the world in the list of scheduled tribes of Manipur. Dhupi or Dhobi, Muchi, Ravidas, Nam Sudra, Patni and Sutradhar have also been included in the list of scheduled caste list published by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, maintaining that memorandum will be submitted to the Chief Minister of Manipur, Tribal Affairs Ministry and Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry to remove the wrong entry from the list. The chairman said a PIL will also be filed at High Court of Manipur. Sapamcha Jadumani also demanded to take stern action against those officers involved in the preparation of the list.
Mitayaba Prupna, scheduled tribe, the Sangna Vidang, the Exodus Panavang, the scheduled tribe demand committee had a Siamakan movement. Aru Nakalamada, Manipurali Taba, Yellow Mayamama, Kudamon have the Nagalegi major tribe Oriba, Angami, Junuto area, the Leriba, Shema tribe share, tribalist Hapsel level. Example, Manipurati, a quick Sumba, Wapangi, Weba. Manipur indigenous people not about tribals in the Sangadi Monocaricano. Manipugamena, Atumotamda, a quick here in Hapsaliba, a quick yellow minute about tribes singing this year. Say our sings a
Residents of Chinku and Khundrapam blocked Imphal Cycle Road today as part of the 48 hours bandh call along the road against the decision of the state government to construct a film city at Chinku and Khundrapam. Residents burned tires and used logs and branches to block the road. President of Chinku Khundrapam Lakon Kanbalup Nongthombam Iboyama said Manipur is dependent on imported food items and construction of a film city, as the cultivable land will further aggravate the miseries as it will affect paddy fields, residential areas, brick fields, community tank and hall and almost 20 houses. Nongthombam Iboyama, however, welcomed the move to construct a film city in the state but appealed to shift the site to another location. Protesters also burned the effigy of Revenue Minister and Arts and Culture Director.
Film namaga film yenga sakshata bayagadra Manipur the culture mangani agriculture, horticulture, pisciculture, iron culture, sericulture culture ahumgi support organda artists in sakshata and art of bayagadra mahoy. See minister MLA Mantri Sakshata Bra. Adu Ikoina to Wigan Hina meeting to Wigi proposal Mayama covered Habsabaganda Manipuri Kabinena Tangai for the Napu the Sani Hiba, Portama Europa, Makoi Tangai for the Praja. I have a logo of any. I call them is Hagan have information to past information PBT. Makasa Tarapatarati, I call music boycott to Jagan Hibase, I call period.
Joint Student Coordinating Committee JSCC today locked down the administrative block of 4 schools, including 3 Catholic missionary schools, for taking full fees for 2 months, that is July and August. The said schools are Zenith Academy, Little Flower School, St. Joseph's and Nirmalabad School. JSCC found that these schools did not follow its instruction to take only 30% fee, as schools were closed for 2 months during inner line permit system agitation.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯔꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯄꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯒꯦꯞ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯍꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯃꯛ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯑ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯅꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ.
Disagreements still continue among students regarding the 17 October election held at Ibotonsana Higher Secondary School. General Secretary of the school, Loitombam Vidyalakshmi Devi, today claimed that unidentified persons have given her that threat. Speaking to media persons at MSU office at DM College campus, she said today she went to the school to meet the principal regarding the election. On her way, some students quarreled with her. On the election day too, she had verbal fight with some students. Vidyalakshmi Devi today clarified that she never blamed Desam for disrupting the election and that she never threatened to burn down the school. She further said she had blamed secretary of the school for disrupting the election.
Desam election tugai habasu nataba secretary laiba mari amadi mahogi workers na tugai bani hire gaba matung ngarang lang Thoubal da leiba observation home like for girls like kon si ge home superintendent oina leiba puriban magi mayumda ai leibani magi mayum si report tawrang bamda leibani magi mayum si da ai bu thiba laga ai puthok taragadi ai thengna mafam da hat kani haina hairami adu damka tarami ba damka sina karigino ai bu hat ka darusina karigino ngasi thokriba thodok sing ase tasengna hairagadi ojajing na akoi union da ani thoibaje sidai da michang mikha naraga leibagini satra marakta sab nanani yengdabagini haibasi ai haijaningi.
On the other hand, students of Ibotonsana Girls Higher Secondary School today blame MSU volunteers for disrupting the academic atmosphere of the school. At a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Class 12 student Hoirem Sonalika Chanu said at around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. General Secretary of the school, Laitombam Vidyalakshmi, and MSU volunteers came to the school and stopped the classes. She demanded clarification from the MSU for disrupting the classes. She also demanded action against Vidyalakshmi by the concerned authority. Sonalika Chanu further said the school principal should resign from the post if she is unable to protect her students.
Civil dress na mga laido han amalakpa moise pulap tawraga moise irang se hokadaba mamde goji get sanariba koi registration na get lonjan basida mapalom degi emso gi mi mayam je hauraga get laur khoga thilak basida magi Vidyalakshmi se chenjal laga get se kanu soje nangai degi class tawramari oja de kai de loi thoknare tasengna habdi moi kina degi oja moi angang chena de koi je class kha do lore koi exam ya naksala bani na sigamba thodok se makha ta thoning re tasengna
Directorate of Minorities and Other Backward Classes, Government of Manipur, in a press release informs that the last date for online form submission of pre-metric and post-metric scholarship scheme 2015-2016 under Manipur State Government is extended till the 31st of October 2015. And for the merit cum means-based scholarship scheme 2015-2016, the last date is extended till the 15th of November 2015. Deputy Chief Minister Garkangam today appealed to all the communities to hold talks in case of disagreement with the decision taken by the state government or any organization. Garkangam was speaking on the 124th Manipur Police Raising Day celebration held at 1st Manipur Rifles Ground today. Garkangam said it is time that civil society organizations, student bodies and women folks come forward for talks with the government in the interest of the state. He said Manipur police are facing problems which other state police does not face. He said it's a big challenge for policemen to maintain law and order in a state where there are more than 40 underground groups. Garkangam, who also holds the home portfolio, awarded Commendation Award to 133 police personnel, including 3 women police. Presenting a roadmap for peace in the state, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister Garkangam said tackling of insurgency problem, bringing underground outfits closer to mainstream society, and to bring more underground groups to negotiating table for peace talks and ceasefire is the need of the hour in which Manipur police have a big role to play.
The changing scenario on the road was to state the roadmap for peace. Manipur lies addressing following issues: rapid economic development, continuing to strengthen the Manipur police force in respecting the lead role in tackling the insurgency in the state, continue to make efforts to bring about elevations of the outfit from the general public through good and transparent governance. Continue to make efforts to bring more of the office to the negotiating table to sue a ceasefire.
4 clans of Chadong village who are affected by the construction of Mapithil Dam today accuse the state government of not providing them jobs. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Kasar clan R. Kasar said the rehabilitation and resettlement plan of State Irrigation and Flood Control Department made in 1998 is not implemented properly. That is why many villagers are forced to leave their village. He accused the state government of dividing the village into two and creating a rift between the villagers. Kasar said they disagree with the government order to vacate the village without giving them proper compensation, rehabilitation and resettlement. Today's press conference was attended by representatives of Mahom, Kasar, Mongwa and Kasung clan.
Aduda Yadava group Ikonadi, Asik review, Thoubal Loidaga, Chatnagadabni, and Nako Yadava Kups in Lehoba. Adonozik, Asmain Tobuna, Ziki, Totona, Wake dams in Ising Tumlakre. Tumlakpasida, Ziki, option later, Baziki, Mamse, Kungu in a day, Chatongu in a day, Kunjelo in a kind of Clan Marisi, when Punsalaga, comprehensive resettlement Amadi, Shemlaga, Equiki, proper resettlement plan. Amuka site Pazana Shem Biraga Equiki Hingba Namninga livelihood Give Pambi Ama pinning item Aduyaga comprehensive in a Shem view IBJ demand.
Meanwhile, People's Action for National Democratic Movement in a press note appealed to the state government to solve the problems faced by villagers affected by Mapithil Dam project. People's Action for National Democratic Movement said a memorandum was submitted to Chief Minister regarding the matter on the 12th of this month. Village Chief of Andro clarified that locals of Andro destroyed the standing crops at Chapu Uppi Lai Umang because locals of Sandang Sienba Maring started cultivating at the place despite CRPC 144 being imposed in the area. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Village Chief of Andro, C.H. Kandhar Maitei said the area is an undisputed area and the claim made in daily paper by locals of Sandang Sienba Maring village that standing crops at Chonga Laupam were destroyed is baseless. Chonga Laupam belongs to Hikap village and Chapu Uppi Lai Umang is a different place where CRPC 144 is still imposed by the district collector. C.H. Kandhar Maitei also maintained that locals of Sandang Sienba Maring village will be held responsible if any unwanted incidents occur to the people of Andro as lifeline of Andro passes through Sandang Sienba Maring village.
Yellow ngay Hariba Laifam Masi Kandno Lakibani, as in Noina Ngarang, the Laga, Noina Masi, Noina Pijap to Viaroi, and then Masi Layumang Sidino, Tanda Suya, the Hedra, I quite Madu Kunjamayan, protector who was Jagani, the Nahuzik, Madu Gimapam do, I quite Andro Kunjamuena, Andro Kunjapunamaki, Bar Lozaraga, Kulak Pain Hajaning Madi, Masi Preski Mamanga in a Tamjaning Wapam de, Hariba Jagasing, as he Kanagumba Matana, Madu. I was a gassing a simo occupied to Yaro, I have from the Kungi Magadegi, Kulakpagi Magadegi, Tamjeri.
BJP today refuted the charges leveled by Congress of being inefficient. Speaking at a one-day political conference held at Kawalilando Lampak, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thoubal Thoubal said Congress should be held responsible for peace accord and ILP issues as BJP has no representative in the assembly. Congress government failed to implement Food Security Act and also failed to give 100 days job under Manrega. Thoubal Thoubal also maintained that central leaders have time and again assured that the territorial integrity of the state will not be compromised.
Kangni amutang kar wala pakana kana na to bono khangani matamdu 25% mo MLA gi lobo yade moi samgyao de MLA gi samgyao de adugumba ching yim lu yam pa ma ga MLA le kono pradhan le po aduga jila parcel le po hari se ching yam yeni ga ba thau yam yeni ga ba ching hura ni ga ba adu wala de pradhan wala le pi ho MLA du mu tong no thona bhap ta de moi manamaduna Narega, Yembio, Orishada, Veju Pipeline, Baro Sarkar, Numichamani, Pivodo, Island Michamani, Mohachal, Numichani, Misapi in a Piri. I Koigina, Baro Sarkar 90%, Putoga, 10% stay in the half of the law. Head the whole thing to have there, Lady Bukar to 25% and no total.
Workers of BJP executive member from Lamlai Assembly constituency tried to assault Secretary Media Affairs of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Laimayum Basanta Sharma during a one-day political conference held at Lamlai yesterday. Speaking at a press meet, Secretary Ward Number 5 of Lamlai Municipality Development Committee, Pemam Sushila, told Impact News that a group led by K. Ibobi from Lamlai, Nongada and Inaucha from Telo tried to assault Basanta. Lamlai police has filed a case with regard to the matter. Meanwhile, members of BJP Lamlai Mandal today stormed BJP Manipur Pradesh office at Neta Park Chutek at 4 in the evening. The members of BJP Lamlai Mandal said prior information should be given to them in future regarding any decision for the Mandal. However, none of the members of BJP Lamlai Mandal were ready to give a statement on camera. They, however, expressed dissatisfaction regarding the leadership quality of the party. Information Center for Hill Areas, Manipur, Icham, with the help of government-provided poly house and net house to Wahembam Nityaibi of Sagulmang, Irema. Nityaibi, a farmer by profession, produces seasonal vegetables and is aiming to produce vegetable during non-season using the poly house and net house. Icham President and Rajendra said negligence by department concerned to farmers like Nityaibi who open stall during any fair organized by Agriculture Department, Horticulture Department and Central Agriculture University is unfortunate.
aina Manipur government apin tawning mudi Manipur ki kachin da akoi Manipur ki dang tam akoi lomi sing sina akoi Manipur si mi pan tang loya muktang de akoi Manipur da jo akoi mi pan tang da akoi pothok puthok ngang ngani hona jari lomi sing sida ngasi ki Manipur government phamnai basingna miyang amatang changan ningi kari dawgi Assam dagi Bengal dagi Bihar dagi pukhala kan da sida tha hena changa ba pot mana masing haidak sai ga la ko pot akoi sab dagi ngasi di leina mayam polok tuna awa ko ise sida akoi khador so akoi ki kanmungang wani.
Rajmata Vijay Raje Siddhya Jayanti Divas was observed in Manipur as observed across the nation. Bharatiya Janata Party Mahila Morcha Manipur Pradesh observed the day at the State Party office at Neta Park Chuthe, Kasampat. State Party President Thanajum Chauba, President of BJP Mahila Morcha Manipur Pradesh, R.K. Pramodini and party members attended the event. As part of the occasion, 8 girls who lost their father at early age were given benefits under the centre's flagship program, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. MSU branch Kakching has condoled the death of Savaijam Rahul Singh on 7 October from Kakching Vairi Savaibam Pareng, Joint Secretary of MSU Kakching branch and KMC unit. Shija Hospital and Research Institute was today vandalized by relatives of a patient who died during child delivery. The deceased woman has been identified as Salam Ombi Minashwari, age 32, from Moirang Lamkhai. Minashwari is survived by her son and a 3-year-old daughter. The family of the deceased woman have registered a case against the concerned doctor and hospital staff for medical negligence.
Yam kana labor so yam kuina labor pen tahon thamaga 11:40 9:30 daina 11:40 pung ani ahum bokse doctor present oidaba bi impact tv gi through daina khangan jari madudi mari laina ba nurse obai doctor obai natraga hospital boy bai mari laina ba singdu daina action lawjen abagi damta ai sirabai ai nupi dudi ai gi isa dudi isa nipa ni sengna rabada isa nipa da pokani na ai gi angang macha chahi ahum surba leiri ma ngai bani ma khangdri bani lupa crore 10 pirga su natraga ama torga su madu laiba phangba natreba ado kari gumba doctor sabna present oibiramba taragadi soidna kalawang ngani bajai gi thajabani.
Dr. N. Subodh told Impact News that the patient developed sudden medical complications. He said the patient was scheduled for normal delivery as her medical reports were normal, but developed complications which was addressed immediately by the medical staff. Mention may be made that the first child of the deceased woman was delivered under the supervision of Dr. Subodh. Dr. Subodh said the patient died due to suspected pulmonary embolism, which is the blockage of lungs' main artery. Dr. Jugendru, superintendent of Shija Hospital, said this is the suspected case of pulmonary embolism, which is a sudden complication. He said this happens in advanced countries also, and medical science is still unable to tackle it. Dr. Jugendru said, however, we need to confirm the same in this particular case.
Yam tuna sumaina hana kai moktarum dabadagi problem khanglak lak pasi koina kudagi delivery da yamna dreaded yam kidney over complication nama pulmonary embolism aina adu oirangani na chingnabadi ai anesthetic ka kauraga yenga sidi normal mana dum sangdana pokpa ngambai mong leitre aduna angang sumama su yaraga di kanba ngamgadra na magi husband jo kaushalaga sigi condition ji leire an operation emergency tauraga maina try taurasi na operation theater da pusallaga cesarean section operation taubani
yamdi sudden orga diagnosis tawba nang hodaba sigi literature da khoi adum yam line internet ta sudum khangbi gani sigi se thok tab dinate ba adu developed countries ta su yam chawba problem ama oye pulmonary embolism in pregnancy have se aduga sina su yamna moida su yam puzzle oningai oiba mayam ama leyeba adu akhoi romdegi di magi progress tu laiba film du record mayam du loin yeng bada atay di maram di kaisu leitaba hairu potsi oiba yabagi chance yam wangba tasengna simak oi natrag oi de have di akhoi na haiba ngamoy adu di postmortem na
The JAC form in the case of death of Minashwari demanded suspension of physician license of Dr. N. Subodh and punishment of concerned doctor and nurse by disqualifying them to practice in future. Family members of Minashwari and members of JAC today held a press meet at Manipur Press Club. Husband of late Minashwari, Salam Sanjoy, said she was admitted at Shija on October 17. On 18th of October, she underwent labor pain at 9:30 p.m. but no doctor was available till 11:30 p.m. JAC President Salam Babu Chauba said the reason for her death given as pulmonary embolism is baseless. He demanded immediate attention of the state government to private hospitals operating in the state just to earn profits at the cost of patients' life. The JAC earlier gave a memorandum to the managing director of Shija Hospital. The memorandum includes compensation of 50 lakh rupees to the patient's family before Surat, dismissal of concerned doctors and nurses, including barring them to continue their profession. The memorandum also includes inquiry by State Medical Council against Dr. N. Subodh. The JAC has threatened that they will not claim the body of Minashwari until the demands are met.
Sandal lambi ki damak linkalak liver private hospital singi matakta state government akan bam ing thambi ba ningam draba misi asigi responsible kudimak si hospital ge management na puhanba state medical council na Dr. N. Subodha singha gi matakta inquiry tawhanba loina na mahaki matakta matik saba action lowba masina koi ge JAC na government na miyeng sangbi na ba si hospital gi authority amasung Manipur government da koina thamjari ba pandamni starter of demand singasi within 40.
3 persons were held and punished by United People Front money for cheating, duping and collecting ransom from people promising them jobs. The 3 persons have been identified as Larikembam Sanat Singh, age 38, son of Thanil Singh from Nagampan, Sinjabunglerak, Yambem Tej Kumar, age 37, son of Tejendra from Uripok, Sorbon Thingelekai, and Mohammad Sabir Ahmed, age 30, son of Mohammad Saiman from Lilong Turel Ahalbi. They were handed over to their family members. The 3 persons took a sum of 50,000 rupees each from 2 people promising them jobs in the accounts section of Vijaya Bank. They also took 40,000 rupees and a sum of 7,000 rupees from another person in July and in the month of September. The cheating scam came into light when they went to take appointment order. Speaking to media persons, UPF Secretary General Nongthombam Rupachandra said the group will monitor job centers promising jobs through illegal means. They also appealed to Manipur government to look into the cheating scams and caution parents of job aspirants from illegal job centers.
Manipur gi mapam khudimakta miyam da thabak pigini haina job center mayam ama qualify oidba mayam hangi base Manipur government injan view amasung maram chana thigat piraga job center je thingjan view loinana asuguma thabak happy gani haiba miyoi kupu kharat Manipur tholaga lamdam si lairiba pangjagaraba lamdam sigi nupi angang ichil inau satra sati khuding gi paisa la khotpada lairiba lamdam sigi hal laman jina section bi haiba wahi che UPF ki mai gi thamjage.
Universal Friendship Organization in a press release said that Meitei Hue Lalong Sintam Sanglen is observing its Raising Day on 24th October at 9:30 a.m. at Top Khongnang Makhong along with a public meeting under the theme Universal Peace and Love. iPhone 6s and 6s Plus were launched today at Sanmati Traders located at Thangal Bazaar by Kakching MLA Y. Surchandra. iPhone 6s and 6s Plus are advanced feature phone having an excellent and intuitive user interface, superior touch functions and beautiful designs. It comes in 4 different colors: rose gold, gold, space gray and silver with 3 different sizes: 16GB, 64GB and 128GB. The price range starts from 62,000 rupees to 92,000 rupees. Speaking to Impact News, advisor of Sanmati Traders, Abhishek Jain said Sanmati Traders brought Apple brand to Manipur to make available advanced technologies to its clients and consumers. Women Action for Development today organized an alliance building program for women affected by conflict, drug, HIV/AIDS, domestic violence, sexual assault and women vendors at Lamyan Sanglen Palace compound. Program spokesperson Advocate N.G. Tejkumar said around 1,000 women who are widowed due to conflict situation, drugs and HIV/AIDS and neglected by their families are working as sex workers. Maintaining that increasing crime against women is a matter of concern, Tejkumar insisted that timely intervention at the law court is needed. Mega fashion event Iyongi Tantha was held yesterday at Classic Hotel Grande, organized by Blue Wings and Manipur Creation. The mega fashion event features models from Russia and Serbia, including Indian models. The fashion event is aimed to promote traditional handloom clothes and designs of the state. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Lengsin birau Thoubal DM College Road Talaiba Eastern Suzuki da Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari ngasi maglengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thoubal DM College Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. Now some sports news. Both the 40th and the 41st league matches of the 10th Manipur State League play today ended in a draw. In the 40th match, SSU Singjamai and AMAWOVA ended in a goalless draw. In the 41st league match, also, Neroka FC Sangapam and Nisa Thoubal were drawn with 1 goal each. The tournament is organized by AMFA under the aegis of Kumocham Ingocha Memorial Trust and Mapal Kangjebung. USA Kurai will play FC Zalian Sada Hills, while MPSC will play Trau Kwakaithel tomorrow. Sagolba United and KPSA Kaching went for a 1-1 draw in the first leg of the 20th Winners' Cup for men's, which kicked off today, organized by All Manipur Football Association on home and away basis. The match was played at Sagolba United's home ground, Sai Takil ground. The second leg will be played at DSA ground Kaching on the 24th of this month. In a match of the Moranthi Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League played today, Neroka FC Sangapam trounced TYWO Takil 6-1. Yes Anos netted 3 goals and Boy scored 2 goals, while TI James scored 1 goal for the winners. In another match, UDO Uyumpong and SSC Sector ended in a draw with 2 goals each. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Khetrigao ground. With that is a wrap with this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. IPA claims 4 scheduled tribes and 6 scheduled castes are wrongly included in the ST and SC list. Residents of Chingku and Kundrakpam blocked Imphal Cycle Road against government decision to establish a film city. JSCC locks down administration block of 4 schools for taking full fees for the month of July and August. And Manipur Police celebrates 124th Racing Day. Kaikangam calls for talks in case of disagreement with decision taken by the government.